Alright, everyone, welcome back to probably the final installment of my cooking channel. I'm doing some cooking in the kitchen, and you're welcome to join me if you want to watch along and have a laugh or two also. I'm getting real sick of doing this, and no one thinks it's funny, so if I stop, literally no one would notice. And for that reason, I'm doing the same thing I did last time, because who cares, right? Except with extra bonus features on top. Alright, we got our garlic and onion in the pan, and yeah, there's a red onion this time because we didn't have any of the regular kind, and frankly, I just don't care about what I'm cooking anymore at this point. And of course, we're sponsored this week again, the last time, by Brooklyn Lager. Brooklyn Lager, remember how much fun you had when you were a child? That's like this feeling all over again because it's Brooklyn Lager. Have it your way. Cool. So our garlic and onions started to brown a bit, a little too much, if you ask me, because I'm an inattentive person, not just in the kitchen, but in relationships and in general as a human being. So that's unfortunate. But I tossed some carrots and peppers in there and make stuff, color some stuff up, make it nice, colorful, and we're having a good time. And nothing to be sad about here, folks. All right, here we go. I tossed in some ginger. Some other spices and stuff just to keep things. Oh my God, it's 420. Can you believe it, guys? It's really oh man, can you cheers to that, buddy? Hey, 420 gods, if you're out there, I'm a real big fan, and I just wanted to say thank you for doing 420 and making it a real good time for everyone. Oh boy, sure love to have the 420. Alright, here's the part where we put... Okay, how am I going to do this? Alright, here we go. Just put some water. Just enough to get the ramen thing doing, and you put it back on the heat, just like that. Wowee. And now I'm going to have to unpackage the ramen, which I definitely can't do with one hand, so... give me a sec here. So I deleted Snapchat for a few weeks, and I just re-downloaded it so I could continue this stupid, pointless fucking cooking channel. And all the Snapchats I got while it was deleted that I watched were just fucking... all of you guys just vaping. Every single one of you sent me Snapchats of you vaping. And I just can't believe it that we've come to this. Like, we're not 12, and we don't play lacrosse, so why do you vape? I don't understand. It's so fucking pointless. I can't believe it. Fucking children. Smoke a real cigarette, you idiots. Anyway, now we're just gonna toss some soy sauce on there now that we finally have a fucking soy sauce thing and not just the packets that come from the delivery place. We've got some spinaggio. Just gonna toss some spinagoogie right on there. And again, spinach is one of those magical things where it seems like, oh my God, you're putting so much spinach. There's going to be like 3 flecks of morsel left once it cooks down. It just doesn't make sense. Why do I even bother with spinach? I don't know. Why do I bother with anything? It's fucking stupid cooking channel. My entire fucking career. And all the music. I don't... Why? Alright, and then you're gonna wanna... If anyone is still even watching at this point, and, like, kudos to you for getting this far into this fucking pointless thing that I do. But, you know, if you're still here to learn some cooking tips, just make a little nest, crack some eggs in there, you know, just let them sit for a bit. I mean, I guess it depends how you want them, but I'm just doing the little... whatever that's called, sunny side up. Is that it? I don't know. The real ramen places do it, and it's just a cute little fun little topping. So do it the way that they do, because they know what they're doing, and I sure as fuck don't. All right, good enough. I mean, like, who cares really? So just take it off the heat, I'm not going to bother with, putting on a plate or, presentation or whatever. I'm not on a fucking Gordon Ramsay show, so just going to eat it right out of here because I'm a fucking plebeian and I have no manners or purpose. And I certainly don't have any, respect for myself or my well-being. I'm gonna use a fork instead of chopsticks because I just don't care at this point. It's just why do I even bother with anything that I do? Anyway, that's going to be it for this episode of I'm Doing Some Cooking in the Kitchen, and you're welcome to join me if you want to watch along and have a laugh or two also. Remember to thank your sponsor, Brooklyn Lager. I've already had 3 at this point, and this is my 4th one. I'm having a great time because Brooklyn Lager makes you feel like you're alive again. And enjoy the meal, of course. That's the whole point of the thing, is to eat the meal, so go for it and have fun. I will be deleting Snapchat once I'm done here. Deleting my whole account. Because, at this point I just don't care. Yeah, I don't have anything interesting to share. I certainly have no interest in what you guys have to share. And, if it really matters, just text me. But, I'm sure it doesn't, so don't. And it would just be nice to, not have my ex watching everything that I do at all times, which is still creepy and weird. And this, no one would even notice, if I stopped posting, so I don't know why I'm announcing this, but just don't Snapchat me anymore. This godforsaken app is a curse on my existence, and I never want to use it again.